Hello children, welcome to our math class. So in this class you are going to learn reading and writing time. How will you read the time and writing time? Now look at the clock. How to read and write time? When we look at the clock, we see that the hands of clock, see the hour hands and minute hands, move from 12 to 1, 2, 3 and 12 again. This direction of the movement is known as clockwise, and the reverse would therefore be called anti-clockwise. Okay, so first one clockwise and the reverse form is anti-clockwise. So 12, 1, 2, 3. This direction is called clockwise, and 12, 11, 10, 9. This is anti-clockwise. Time. When the minute hand is on a 12, see the picture. The minute hand is on a 12. And the hour hand is a 5. Minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 5. So the time is read as 5 o'clock. This time is read as 5 o'clock. Now listen to the picture. Similarly, when the minute hand is at 12, see the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. The hour hand is at 9. The time is read as 9 o'clock. The time read as 9 o'clock. Now let's see the next one. See the clock. Both hands at the 12. See minute hand and hour hand. Both of our hands and minute hands meet at 12. Then time is 12 o'clock, which means the correct time is 12 o'clock. We read as 12 o'clock. Now, tell the time shown by the following clock. See the clock. First, listen the minute hand. Yes, minute hand is at 12 and hour hand. Hour hand is at 7. So the time is 7 o'clock. Now the time is 7 o'clock. Yes, let us try one more thing. Now look at the clock. Similarly, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 11. Minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 11. So, the time is read as 11 o'clock. The time is read as 11 o'clock. Okay, now let's know how will you write the time. Now, look at the clock. The minute hand is at 12. See the minute hand is at 12. And the hour hand is at 6. The hour hand is at 6. The time is read as 6 o'clock. The time is read as 6 o'clock. And the time written as 6 dot and 20. So 6 o'clock. Let's see one more example. Now look at the clock. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So listen carefully. Minute hand at 12 and hour hand is at 3. So the time is read as 3 o'clock. The time is read as 3 o'clock. and written as 3 and 2 dot and 2 0. So 3 o'clock. Okay children, now listen how to write a time. See, this is a reading format. 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 12 o'clock. This is a reading format. Now let's see how to write the time. See first one, let's see the first one, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. So we written as 5, 2 dot and 2 0. See 5, 2 dot and 2 0. So 5 o'clock. This is say 5 o'clock. Then next one 9 o'clock. And this is a reading format. This 9 o'clock is written as 9, 2 dot and 0. So this is a writing format. 9 o'clock. Then 7 o'clock. So 7, then a 2 dot. See 7 o'clock. Finally 12 o'clock. This is a reading format. It is written as a 12. See, what to make a 2 dot and 2 0. Clear? So this is a reading format. 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And this time written as like this: 5, 2 dot and 2 0. 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Okay, that's all children. I hope you all understood this concept of time. So reading time and writing time. Okay, thank you children. Thank you for listening.